Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner is a device that uses an air pump to create a partial vacuum to suck up dust and dirt, usually from floors. Most homes with carpeted floor in developed countries process a vacuum cleaner for cleaning. The dirt is collected by filtering system or a cyclone for later disposal. How is it works? A vacuum suction is caused by a different air pressure. A pump produces the pressure inside the tube. Atmospheric pressure then pushes the air through the carpet and into the tube, and so the dust is literally pushed into bag. This is vacuum cleaner front side open. When you open the front side, the dust bag is there. The dust particles are present inside the bag. Here the dust removes the bag throughout the waste particles outside. The bag is the typical method to capture the debris, vacuum up. It involves a paper or fabric bag that allows the to pause but attempts to trap all dust and debris in the bag. How you fix the vacuum cleaner? This is the metal and then changes the brushes, bentazole, and glass cleaner. The glass cleaner brushes is used to clean the glass, rat brush and round brushes. You can change the brushes according to our need. Inside the vacuum cleaner, how can it work? Dust particles enter into the rotating bug, the electric motor rotates, the fan intake the dust and the exhaust port is present here to the exhaust dust.